are tuned into the notorious squirrel.
Hey everyone, how's it going? We're just out in the lakes at the minute, and one of the most important things in day-to-day urban life is keeping your phone charged most of the time, and that's no different when you're out on the hill, to be fair, even more so. So that is why the Meshnology Meshpocket is such a cool device. I absolutely love this thing. Since I've had it about a month now. Every time I come out, I always bring it with me. One, because I always carry a power pack on me nowadays, because phones and things like that, I always need to keep it charged because my whole life sits on it. And two, in the case of emergency, whilst I'm out and about, I want to make sure that I can get in touch with emergency services or the people that are going to get me out of it. Not to say that is going to happen. That's where with this, you have your MagSafe on the back, which you can clip it straight onto your phone and get instant charge. But you also have an e-ink display, which has your Meshnology on it, or your Meshtastic, whichever one you want to, sorry, Meshnology or Meshcore, whichever one you want to use. And this thing is really cool. You can just ping through your menus via it as well. You can do your normal hold, go through it. You can preset any messages on there. I have some messages on there that are sort of emergency messages, so they're really cool device, really good. So for me, an essential, especially for the weight of it whilst you're out on the hill. It makes no difference whatsoever, and it keeps you connected and keeps you safe. So check it out, it's awesome.